Hello guys, it's OGN Games here. I'm playing Team Fortress 2. This is a quick video, just a vlog, and to say that I'm sorry because no, there wasn't any videos uploaded lately. I'm very sorry. And there's Minecraft videos to edit, and I'll upload them. Don't worry. There will be more TF2 gameplay. Um, yeah. Enjoy the gameplay of how noobish I am, and ignore the Polish guy or whatever. Check out my new taunt, like chicken, KFC chicken. Add me on Steam. Yeah. Yeah. Add me on Steam. We can play together. Like I'm free all the time. The I haven't uploaded videos because school. Yeah, school. That's why. Yeah, enjoy the gameplay and see how much of a noob I am. Let me see. Let me see. Yay! We won! Shit. Rocket jump. Ignore the stupid guy. This is a conga dance. The conga dance. Yeah. I'm gonna say hi to YouTube. Like gonna say with my I'm gonna say with in-game hi to YouTube. You know. Yeah. Say hi to YouTube. Yeah, maybe I'll do a part 2 of this. I don't know. If it's too big, I'll do part 2. Let's play as a spy. Basically, if you don't know what TF2 is, it's basically like Counter-Strike, yeah, but you have classes. It's made by the same engine, and yeah, you have to, in this game mode, you have to capture control points. There are some other different game modes. I'll tell you them sometimes, but now I can't. Yeah. I have to push for my team. Come on, come on, come on! Fuck! Oh my god! Okay, guys, this will be part 1. You'll be seeing part 2 in a little bit. Bye! Slash and dash.